after the operations of the new Wari bridge, the traffic movement has increased because of the heavy vehicles also are flying on this road, and this has become a major junction. We have been deploying staff over here, but there was one problem is that the staff is to be for the full day, and we did not have any resting place over here. So I had a word with Mr. Pradeep Prasad, who has helped us and has taken the initiative of providing a small cabin with all amenities, whichever is required for a policeman to perform very quickly. And I thank Rajesh Roadlines also for coming forward and sponsoring this under the CSR and helping the Goa police and the traffic police to serve much better to the public of Goa and those visiting Goa.
If you saw it maybe 1 month ago, it was like very dingy, narrow, small. If anyone remembers, this was the original entrance to Verna Industrial Estate when it first started. Thanks to again Mr. Somaya, we are going to make this into as far as possible a class entrance with real good garden area and a frontage. So hopefully in another 15 days this will have a total different look again.
My name is Jigar and I am from Rajesh Roadlines Private Limited. We have been doing business from Mumbai and Goa from last 55 years now. So Goa has been like our second home, and police, those who help our trucks go up and down every day, 365 days, 24/7. So when we got an opportunity to serve them, thanks to the Verna Industrial Association, we took this opportunity, grabbed this opportunity in minutes, because it is for the welfare of the Goa.
Roadline, Mr. Chandresh Somaya and his son and the family of course, who immediately responded to my call for support for this cabin. And first of all, it is solar powered, so it is green energy. Right now, of course, the connection is not done, but so it is going to be solar powered.